Can cleaning the coils reduce a noisy air conditioning unit? Dirty evaporator or condenser coils restrict airflow and force the system to work harder, which often increases vibration and induces rumbling or whining that homeowners hear. Start by turning power off at the breaker and remove the access panels so you can inspect both coils visually. Use a soft brush and a no-rinse coil cleaner sprayed according to the label to remove grime, and allow proper drying time before reassembling. For outdoor condenser coils, straighten any bent fins carefully with a fin comb so airflow is restored. Check the fan blades for balance and alignment by spinning them by hand after power is off. A blade that wobbles or strikes the housing will create rhythmic noise and should be adjusted or replaced. Remove debris such as leaves, twigs, or accumulated dirt inside and around the unit, and make sure the unit sits level on its pad or mounting brackets, since tilt can amplify vibration. If cleaning and simple adjustments do not remove the noise, document the sound pattern and timing, then schedule a licensed technician inspection because problems like failing bearings, loose compressor mounts, or electrical issues require professional repair. Common mistakes include assuming coils alone cause all noises, which leads to wasted time cleaning without addressing fan or motor issues. Verify the fan, motor mounts, and housing before and after coil cleaning and correct any misalignment. Another issue is using high-pressure water or harsh tools that can bend fins or damage delicate components. Always use gentle cleaning methods and the correct fin comb for straightening. A third concern is neglecting to kill power or failing to recheck safety features after work, which risks injury and damage. Always shut off power. Use a multimeter to confirm absence of voltage if you are qualified, and restore panels and fasteners tightly when finished so panels do not vibrate. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where users share experiences about noise, troubleshooting, and repairs. We help contractors find work and homeowners find contactable professionals while hosting community conversations for practical tips and referrals.